Hey everyone, Jason Bose here. So I was, on the last video, I was messing around with a little cigar box guitar I bought for $35 from Guitar Center, and I've been having a lot of fun with it. Been a little busy, really haven't gotten to post too much. I learned still the one thing. I got one thing down, then a couple weeks went by and I lost it. So practice is definitely key. But in my YouTube research and stuff, I'm watching like Dale Puckett and Shane Spiel and all that. I found about the website CB Giddy, and really I found a two-string bass that I'd like to do. So one of the things I've been trying to do is do this with some MIDI and everything, and I've been working on kind of cleaning up my shop area here, so I've got a little few things to work with. So as you see here, got my shelves up, got some cleaning off to do around here, but this is the CB Giddy guitar here, and I got part of it going together. I'm kind of working with the tools I have, so I'm not exactly sticking to the steps of the instructions, but the instructions are really complete, so really enjoy that. Comes with some really nice parts and everything. So my next video, I should have this done. Thinking about doing black around the edges, a solid blue bottom. I'm hoping to try to work out a sunburst blue on the lid, and then I'll keep with the natural fret there. I found some blue inlay stickers that I put on there. And then the lid is going to be like an aqua and blue kind of sunburst color style. Some other things I've kind of worked out were, laminating some oak together here for a neck. I cut the kerf the wrong way to get that, so I bought another piece though, and we'll work on that later. And then, yeah. So hopefully next time you see me, I'll learn a couple things on a two-string cigar box style bass guitar called the G bass. It's been pretty fun. So really enjoyed working on it so far. I've had to get a few things together and get to where I need to be with the woodworking stuff, that making room in the shop for it and stuff like that. So it's been fun. Putting it all together has been interesting, and so the next time I update, hopefully I'll be playing it. So just wanted to give you a short video. Haven't been able to upload in a couple weeks, been busy with work and everything, so now it's time to get on to doing something a little different. And yeah, in the future, more videos, maybe some shooting at the range. I got some cars I'm going to be working on. I'm just going to try to keep videos uploaded. They're not going to be super great right now. I haven't had a lot of time for editing, so it goes YouTube into my account and hit the record button, and then when I'm done recording, I upload it with almost no editing whatsoever. So I do intend to try to get that going a little bit better. I've got all my cameras and I've got gimbals, and I want to produce a better thing, but right now I've been so busy cleaning and organizing and getting things done and trying to, build the cigar box guitar just in time I'm able to relax. Like, I think it's about 2 in the morning right now on a Friday night, and came here to go ahead and try to do a little bit on this and put some shelves up and everything. So stay tuned. Like and subscribe, I guess, if you want. I can't promise regularity right now of my life, but I'm doing the best I can, and I hope you guys have a good day.